What is good, YouTube, man? It's the 𝗲𝗼𝗾𝗃 back here with another video. And today, man, you know what I'm saying, I recently got my cast deleted on my Scatpack, and people in the comment section wanted to know, did I get any check engine light, or you feel what I'm saying, or did anything came up on a speedometer, man, and what it did. I don't know what that was, but that don't sound crazy, no cap. But yeah, man, yeah, a check engine light did came on and stuff like that. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I know it was gonna come on, y'all, cause I'm not even tuned or anything yet and stuff like that. So this would be a good time to get my thing tuned. You feel what I'm saying? Cause we don't do check engine lights, man. You feel what I'm saying? When you got your check engine light on, that's a no bueno. You feel what I'm saying? You know, I got a little Spanish in me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we don't do no check engine lights and stuff, man, and stuff like that. So I'm finna pull over to the side right now, and I'm show y'all the check engine light code, and you feel what I'm saying? So yeah. Y'all, boy, y'all hear that thing? That cat make a big difference in the thing, man. So yeah, so y'all can see that right there, man. So we gonna see what this code is talking about, man. So we go up and the diagnostic right there. So we're gonna press OK. P0420, man. So I'm gonna search that up on Google, and I'm gonna leave the image right here on the screen. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, it's something to do with the catalytic converter, so I already know that, man, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's really it, y'all. Idling sound crazy on this thing, man. Sound like I got a little something going on in the back. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this thing do screens, man. Like, once you put your foot down on the car, man, on this thing do screens. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boy, man. So yeah, man, if y'all boy got any good tuners that y'all can refer me to, man, cause you know what I'm saying, I gotta get the scat tuned. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to, but you know what I'm saying, it will benefit. You feel what I'm saying? Cause I can feel a little bit of power loss top end, just a little bit. It's not too much. But like that bottom end power, it's still the same. But you know what I'm saying? Like top end, like over like maybe like when I get to 120 or something like that, I can feel a little loss in the power for real. So you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if y'all boy in the comment section can leave me some good tuners, man, so I can go to, or you know, go get an email tune or any type of tune for real. So that's what I'm looking at, man. So you know what I'm saying? The scat, it's gonna be right before the summer hits, y'all boys. So that's the goal, man. I'm trying to get the scat right. Y'all boys stay tuned, man. I'm trying to get this thing wrapped, tuned, man. We gonna, man, I'm trying to full send it on the scat, man. I don't know how much time I'm gonna say that. But yeah, I'm trying to take the scat to the limits. But we do got bigger things planned for the channel, man. I just need y'all boy to stay with us and stay tuned to all the videos, man. Repost them. Make sure y'all boy like them, you know what I'm saying? Give us feedback, man. Give us feedback. Cause we on the road to 2K, man. We almost there. We almost there, y'all boys. So without you guys, we wouldn't be here, man. Just know that. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm really trying to make this thing happen. Me and my twin brother. You know what I'm saying? We really trying to put our city on the map. That's all it is, man. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, man. If y'all boy like videos like this, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this video to at least 30+ likes if y'all want to see more videos like this, and let us know about more video ideas in the comment section, man. You feel what I'm saying? It's the 𝗲𝗼𝗾𝗃, and we out.